Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your league settings in fantasy football. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to load up the website that we've got over here. And after that, you have to press on fantasy and go to fantasy home. And after that, it's going to load up the leagues that you have over here. It's going to be right there. So if you wanted to edit something or change something about the league, you have to press on the league that you wanted to change it. Just to make sure, you have to be loaded up in your account and you have to be the manager of the league that you wanted to change something about it. So if you're not the manager, you won't be able to do these changes right here. So first of all, we have up here the league, the players, fantasy cost, and score border, standing, and some other tools right here. But what you have to do is hover over here and then press on settings. And after that, it's going to give you a summary of all the settings, the basic, the draft, roster, and everything else. So for example, let's say you wanted to change the number of teams. You can simply press on edit on the basic settings. And let's say, for example, you wanted to change the number of teams. You have to press over here and then choose the number of teams that you wanted to maybe add or delete. And then you press on save changes. And yeah, there you go, it has been changed. The same for everything else, such as scoring, maybe the roster, drafts, the team and divisions, and also the schedules and everything. So yeah, this is how you change your league settings. I hope this video helps you guys, and see you in the next one. Cheers.